Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, boss.
Sana po tayo?
Ewan ko nga, boss, kung saan to, boss. Anong scam naman to?
Yun o. Grabe naman, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hi guys! I'm back. Nandito na naman tayo sa isang episode ng room tour. Nandito kami ngayon sa Wales kasi, of course, may takbo si Bernard. Nakakapag-travel lang naman kami kapag may takbo eh.
Wow.
Papakita ko sa iyo yung room namin. In 3, 2, 1. It's a prank! So, yan yung balcony. Ayan yung door. Pagpasok mo dito sa left, yan yung dining. Ayan siya. And then, andito yung sala. Very posh. And then, nandito yung kitchen. And then, pag open mo, may peach mango pie, guys. Grabe naman! Ayan siya. And then, dito, may single bed. Para lang siya sa mga single. May bathroom. And shower room. And then, dito, double bed. Para yan sa double. So, ito naman, family bed. King size bed. Para sa mga king.
So, ayun na po mga sir. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Snowdon at Snowdon. Race natin sa Sabado. Ultra Trail Snowdon niya by UTMB. Isa sa mga event ng UTMB. At
Sir, ubi pandesal po kayo,
Aray
sir. Sir, sige na, sir. Para makauwi na akong Pinas, sir. Sir, bilhin mo na, sir.
sige na, mamaya.
Para makauwi na akong Pinas,
Sige
sir.
na, sige na, mamaya.
Sige na, sir. Kwarto kita, sir.
Sige na.
Sa kwarto, sir.
No. Wait. Whew. That's siguro ba? Yun o.
Later.
Later naman, kasi madumi na yung ano mo. Good morning sa inyong lahat, sir. Time check, it's 6:14 na ng umaga dito sa Wales. Morning vlog. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye!
Maya, pag tumatakbo ka na, ubarin mo rin yan.
Okay. Yun o. So, ngayon ay May 16, Friday, a day before UTS. And dito kami ngayon sa may Trail Village. Dito yung ganito yung klase ng Trail Village natin. At meron kami ngayong shakeout run. Meron silang pinamigay na running socks. Check natin kung maganda to. Pero obviously, knowing Compress Sport, talagang the best yan. Ito yung makasama natin si shakeout run natin. Mabilis lang naubos yung slot kasi since libre lang siya. So may pinapabigay silang trail socks, kaya titry natin to. Bagay. Ang cute. Ganda, sir. Favorite part? Pa-check muna kami ng mga kits na kailangan, yung mga mandatory requirements. So yun. Dito kami sa dulo, dito kami sa pinaka last. Walang ibang pila, last. Layo pa din. Yung palang, yung white, dun kami, layo pa. Yes sir, lumalapit na sir. Yun no.
Should we say? And also racing this weekend.
Yun no, kit check. Pero mahaba pa yung pila.
Meron na doon, race dito.
And then 100K 2023.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
The 100k.
There you go.
Beautiful. Right, just double checking. You said 50, yes?
Yeah, that's correct.
Just making sure. 'cause I'm-
No worries, buddy. No worries.
Wicked, mate. Have a good race.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, ate. Thank you. Thank you, ate. Salamat, salamat.
Enjoy, ah.
Palag-palag. Thank you. John Bernard Fortuno.
Your t-shirt.
Fabulous.
You have to double check this more. Yes.
Yeah, fabulous. Thank you. Thank you very much. Pasado pa, boss?
Pasado?
Ayun. Ayun, nakapasa naman tayo. So, dito na tayo sa mga souvenir items. Ayun, no? Wakas. Yes, sir! Patingin na mukha ng pasado, boss. Ayun, no?
Exporting slate.
Yun, no?
And you can go to some of the most beautiful parts.
So, yun. Tapos na yung kit check. Ngayon ay May 16 na ng gabi. Alas 9 ng gabi, pero as usual, maliwanag pa din. Welcome to UK. So, tomorrow is race day. 8:45 yung can start. Hello! Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ayun o. Hello! Hello! Morning mga sir. Ngayon ay May 17 na. 4 o'clock ng umaga. Ngayon na yung race day natin. 55k, 3,300 meters of elevation. Siguro more or less 4 hours to go bago yung gun start. So far, yung weather ay very promising. Sunny all throughout. Wala namang ulan. And kahit na anong masamang panahon. Pero mainit daw mamaya. So, just trying to eat as much as I can, hydrate as much as I can, kasi naka-activate yung heat weather kit tomorrow. Kasi ngayon pala, expect natin sobrang init ngayon, kaya getting ready lang tayo. Kahapon, nag-kit check kami, kapasa naman tayo sa mga mandatory kit check, so walang problema. Cut-off time niya is 14 hours. And start time namin is 8:45 sa UK, or kung sa Pilipinas is 3:45 ng hapon. Madami-dami kaming tatakbo ngayon na Pinoy, which is nakaka-happy kasi it never happened before. Kaya this time I'll just take my time to enjoy yung UTS view kasi sobrang ganda niya. Talaga. So, yun. Mamaya update ko kayo kung ano yung mga nangyayari. For the meantime, kain muna ako. Balat kayo.
Bossy.
Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Aray ko.
Say ma!
Roma!
Hi! Hi mga guys! Go! Alam mo ba, mahal mo na. Wala na akong magagawa.
Yay, thank you. Pwede na ng chorus.
Yun na. Yun na, race day na. The time is 8:07 ng umaga. Gun start natin ay 8:45. So may few minutes pa tayo na mag toilet break and warm up. Kasi yun na.
3, 2, 1, and off we go, guys! UTM ready by UTMB 2025 winner of the 50K. You are earning your way. Good luck to you all. Good luck, as they say in Wales. May health, enjoy every moment. That's what it's about. Celebrating the ability to be able to out there today and run your best race. Well done, guys.
Up and about.
You know? Oy, ano yan?
100 athletes across the 3 waves, but we just want to nudge you in. I think the 2nd and 3rd waves are even bigger, so get nice and cozy. Say hello to your fellow warrior in the 50K if you've never met him before. And with the time coming up to 8:36, Sharon, if you're ready down there, and Batala Bangor ready, I think we're about ready to go. I know they've gone now, Wave 1, so I'm going to say you're even better than Wave 1. Absolutely fantastic. Make sure that if the dark times come, not only for yourself but for others, make sure there's an arm round the shoulder, make sure there's a pat on the back and a word of encouragement when it's needed. Turn to your right, turn to your left, wish your fellow warriors good luck. Even shake hands. You may well meet a fellow warrior and a friend for life. Good luck to you all today. As we say in Wales, Pob Ichigid. We are now into the final 2 minutes to go.
Yun, no? Okay, malawak na. Maaraw na din. So, keep going lang tayo. Keep going, keep pushing. Hydrate kung kinakailangan. Mahaba pa ang oras. Long way to go. Long way to go. Parang kilala ko to.
Hello.
Hello, hello! Morning, kamusta?
Okay lang. Quiet na ako. Baka may ano pa ako dito.
Kaya pa yan.
All the best, Bernard.
All the best, ate. Go lang.
See you.
Keep going, keep going.
Keep going. Kaya natin.
Whew, first ascent. First ascent.
Long day shift and a bit.
I know. Whew. First mini ascent. That was the first mini ascent done. And ito yung ating view. Wow. Ganda. Grabe. Nung ginawa ko tong race na to, walang ganitong klaseng view. Pero ngayon, tingnan nyo. Ganda. Woo! Amazing. Thank you, Lord. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Sakit pa tayo dun sa pinakadulo. So, mababa pa. Let's go! Trying to have fun. Mainit na sobra. Ganda ng view. Oh, lahat. Nasa bandang 6 kilometers pa lang tayo. First major ascent. And elevation agad is 1K. 7 kilometers, approximately mga 1K na elevation yun. So, mahaba pa. Wala pa sa kalahati. Ayos. 7 kilometers. Time is 1 hour and 20 minutes. And we're going down. We are going down. Ito na yung pinaka-ayoko na section kasi hindi naman talaga siya runnable. Kaya double ingat lang talaga. Kasi mabato. So, I don't think makakabawi ako ng oras dito. Pero I will try. I will try. Favorite spot of all. Update ko kayo maya maya. Baba lang kami. Update siguro ako pagka nasa first station. Let's go! Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, bye. Thank you. So, running time is 2 hours and 6 minutes. Yung elevation na natin so far is 908. So, refill tayo ng tubig dito. Spray my face, Trace. Alright.
Yeah, close your eyes.
Oh, lovely.
Nice.
Woo, thank you.
Guys, we got cold sponges. Cold water.
Grabe ang init. Grabe na this. Pasok muna tayo. Woo. Both of them, please. Just stop them up. All of them, please. Don't show them away. Just stop them, please. Thank you.
Water, please. Get some. Oh, you've been laughing. Oh, yeah, you can get some water in there.
Kung gusto ko magpalit ng ano, ng medyas kasi napapasokan ako. Dito ako medyas. Ano yan? Cheers, man. I appreciate that.
How many do you want today?
All. Okay, Anna. Okay.
Ano? Palit na tayo ng gear. Grabe ano kasi pangit yung ano. Hindi ko nagustuhan yung ano. Napusokan ako ng kung ano. So, yun.
There's some down there if you
Back to game. Back to the game. Back to the game.
Fingers through at all.
Thank you very much. Is that enough?
Yes, this is
Cheers. Can I have a cup, please? Yun o, alis na tayo. So, 17 kilometers away to the next checkpoint. And di ko alam kung gaano kataas na yun. Pero they said ito na yung pinaka brutal na ascent na daw ito eh. Yung second ascent namin. So, we will see. So, just possible I wanna update you. Pero minsan kasi nawawala na yung rhythm ko sa takbo. So, bira na lang maka-video and update. But so far, I'm doing okay. Off to the next checkpoint. Thank you. Cheers. Yan, alis na tayo. Okay, price update tayo. 19 kilometers na tayo. And yung running time natin is 3 hours and 15 minutes. We are en route to our second major ascent. At I'm just trying to take my time here to walk and rest at the same time. Because, because that is one major climb that is. So yeah, I'll just take my time talaga dito sa long walk na to, because after 1 kilometer or so second ascent na. So yun lang naman ang update sa ngayon dito sa 19 kilometers. Grabe, ang init na. Napakainit na, sir. Tapos nakakatempang bumaba dun sa may mga falls. Alright ko. Hirap umakyat. Yan o, nakakatempt to. Sarap magtampisa pero hindi pwede. Ma-addict tayo. Grabe. Yeah. You know, nasa Snowdon na tayo. Nasa may peak na tayo ng Snowdon. And we are heading to the second checkpoint na tayo. Papunta na tayo sa second checkpoint. And probably mga 7 or 8 kilometers na downhill. Hopefully makarecover tayo dun. Grabe yung cramps and grabe yung ahon. Dito Miguel. Go. Thank you. Thank you. Yun. Let's go. Ayun yung ano. Ayun yung peak. And then dito na tayo pababa. Let's go. Done guys. Marami ganda ng view. Wow. Front taking view. Ganda. Should be a good downhill section. And now we're off. Update ko kayo maya maya. Hopefully pag nasa aid station na. Okay doks. See you in a bit. See. Na mga sir, second checkpoint, 32 kilometers, time 6 hours 22 minutes. Whew. Thank you, mate. Grabe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know, I need this. Woo! Please. Warm. Thank you. Cheers. Woo! Grabe. Third checkpoint. Let's go. Let's go. You know, tapap tayo ng tubig dito. Mas wala na tayong tubig. Ito na, hanawan ko na. Whew. One please as well, thank you. So the next checkpoint, how far is it?
8.2k ish.
Like that, that's it.
Yeah, just off that hill then on the other side. You're fine.
Thank you.
Okay.
Kain tayo ng mabilisan, tapos alis agad. Kailangan mabilis tayo dito. Oh yeah. Oh, cheers.
Down the trail.
Oh, cheers. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. Okay. You know, parang malaman lang, oh. Guys, second to the last ascent. Bababa na tayo. Oh. Can do it. Going down na kami sa last checkpoint. Roughly mga 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers away. Approaching last checkpoint, guys. Amazing. That's amazing. Amazing. Cheers. Feeding time. Can I actually try that as well? That one. So. That's enough. Thank you. First update. 45 kilometers time. 9 hours and 32 minutes. Yun yung last ascent namin. And then towards descent going to the finish line. Hi. Time check guys, 11 hours and 11 minutes. Distance is 53.61 kilometers. So, 1.5 kilometers to go. Finish na tayo. Grabe. Malala. Sobrang malala. We're almost done. Grabe. Sobrang init. pagod na ako, gutom na ako, and at the same time, happy. So this is what you get. This is what you get in an ultramarathon. Masakit? Oo. Mahal? Oo. Pero this is how I keep my memories. So, sa mga magbabalak o nagbabalak na mag-ultramarathon o umpisa na kanilang running journey, boss, this is the right time. This is the sign. Yun, lapit na tayo matapos. Oh, last push. Last push. Last push. Last push na. Let's go. Let's go. Hey! Yes, sir! Yung picture of Bimbang! Bemba! Kapay! Finisher. 50 kilometer finisher. Yan. Claim muna tayo ng pagkain. Sobrang gutom na. Pero masasabi ko yung pinagkaiba ko, pinagkaiba nito nung sa previous kong UTS. Itong race na to, hindi natapos ako na hindi laspag. Kumpara nung nakaraan, talagang wasted as hindi makalakad. Pero ngayon, dahil sa mga trainings and consistency sa mga workout, ayun, tapos natin ng walang injury. Lucky enough. Very, very thankful. Thankful talaga. Ngayon, claim muna tayo ng pagkain. Sobrang gutom na. You know, one day after the event, and ngayon ay susuportahan naman natin yung mga Pinoy na tatakbo sa 25 km category. At pumunta na tayo doon kasi si JD ay pupunta na doon ngayon. So, samahan na natin siya. Susuportahan natin siya sa kanyang takbo. You know, morning. Second shine. Huwag natin makalimutan yung bell. You know, kinakabahan na sa si Snow doon.
Madami.
Hindi, meron pa. Diyan pa rin yung finish nung ano. Ay, wala na. Boss, good luck, boss. You know. Bossing!
Parang stolen.
Alam niya eh.
Magbabay ka na kay Mama.
Bye-bye. Back to reality na. Hanggang sa muli na naman. Paalam.
Last mo naman na tong di ba, Snow?
Oo. Next year naman.
Next year ko.
Aray ko.